As we know, security groups matters a lot in any kind of deployment scenario. So in our case, how do you configure the security groups to allow access to the deployed e-commerce application? How do you do that?
Okay, so first of all, we have to get which port our application is running on, and after we get the port from the Kubernetes with the kubectl get SPC, which is used to get the services, and
Mhm.
with the services we expose any specific application. You already know that, and then we have to get the port from there. It should be 30,000 and something, and we have to unblock that port from the Amazon EC2 panel, and we can go to any specific node group nodes, which means are the instances, and those instances are have the same security rule. So we can just simply edit any specific security rule from the security tab, and we can just unblock the specific port we saw in the SBC command. So then after unblocking it, if we go to the same a public IP of that node and use the port we saw in the SBC command, and we will be able to view the application, and it will be running on that specific port.
Mhm. Yeah, thank you.